Jerry Mason, Kickin Lawyer. So we're talking about money. So as an attorney, there are really three ways that attorneys are paid, okay? The first way is kind of what you see on most of the advertisements for like personal injury and stuff with car wrecks, and that's called a contingency fee agreement. Those are the ones where the lawyer's like, we don't get paid unless you get paid, right? And that's because they're taking on the risk of working the case in exchange for a percentage of any settlement they might get. Typically, it's 33.5% up to 40%. Sometimes it can even be up to 50%. The industry standard, though, is usually about 33% is what those attorneys will take. The second way is a traditional evergreen retainer where they quote you a fee. The attorney then works against that fee, contracts their hours, works against that fee, and then if they work through whatever you paid them, they send you another bill for more money to continue to work through that fee. Those are traditionally called evergreen retainer agreements because it's evergreen. You may have to continue to fund it. Those are both sort of traditional ways. We don't do that. Here as criminal defense lawyers, we charge a flat rate. Now, we'll still track what we do work-wise on it, but you're paying us to take the case and for the flat rate for us to handle the case, whatever the resolution is. And we can't ethically guarantee you any outcome. All we can say is we're going to do the best we can for you. And so we charge one flat rate, and sometimes the client benefits on that. We may do hundreds of hours of work and lose money, technically, as a firm. On the other hand, sometimes we take them and the next day get the case resolved, and it ended up being good for the firm as far as time constraints. But the client may not look at it that way, although if it's a good outcome, it's a good outcome, right? So anyway, that's a little insight in the three ways generally that attorneys are paid. Let me know if you've dealt with any of those in the comments, which one you think is more fair than the other.